Matrix Industrial Automation presents an all-in-one bushing press and automated machine tending system. It uses our standard StackMate and FlexMate to tend a Matrix-designed bushing press. Matrix is a FANUC authorized and RIA-certified robot integrator. The automated process starts with the StackMate robot taking a tray of raw parts from one of the 3 manual loading bays. The stacks of trays are on carts, which are exchanged by operators every few hours. Once loaded on the tray buffer table, each part on the tray is checked with a computer vision system that ensures that all prior operations are completed and that defective parts are caught and removed. Missing or defective parts, as well as which tray they came from, can be optionally recorded to a factory-level information system. Once the part has been verified, the FlexMate robot takes the raw part to the Matrix bushing press. Finished and raw parts are swapped inside of the bushing press. This particular part needs 2 bushings, one on each end, so to start the process, the part is flipped over. The nest is specially designed to account for the different diameters on each end of the part. The first bushing is pressed to an exact position in the part, with up to 12 kilonewtons of force. The force is monitored to automatically catch when too much or too little force is used. Bad parts are automatically rejected to a drawer. Now the part is flipped back to its original orientation. The second bushing is then held above the part so that the press can grab it. Once the gripper is out of the way, it grabs another bushing, and the press comes in to press the second bushing into the part. Both grippers are fed bushings through a bowl feeder system, which can store hours worth of bushings. The part now has bushings on both sides, so it is picked by the FlexMate robot. Optionally, a second FlexMate can be attached for a finishing operation. Attaching a second FlexMate uses less floor space and costs less than adding an isolated automation system. The second FlexMate would load something like a vertical lathe that machines bushings down to a tighter tolerance with respect to the part that it is now inserted into. Once finished, the part is exchanged with the first FlexMate so that it can be taken back to a tray. The finished part is loaded into a tray with other finished parts, and the process starts again with a new part. Even though one tray is full of finished parts and the other tray is empty, the machines are still being tended. The machines are not idle because another robot is responsible for handling the trays. After exchanging the finished tray with an empty tray, the process is completed by taking the finished tray back to a bay. The bushing press and machine tool were tended with reliable, industry-standard FANUC robots working in harmony thanks to Matrix design. The bushing press is also a Matrix-designed machine, designed to work reliably with the automation. Contact Matrix Industrial Automation for automation solutions like these.